All right. Hello, everybody. This is Ralph back with another video. This one, I'm going to talk about the compensation plan that we have at the Home Business Academy. If you've been in affiliate marketing for any length of time or network marketing for any length of time, you know that a lot of the comp plans out there are extremely complicated. Matter of fact, I sometimes joke that in a lot of companies, the comp plan doesn't stand for compensation, it stands for complicated. Now, the Home Business Academy, by comparison, is extremely simple. Here's our comp plan in a nutshell. In the Home Business Academy, you can be earning 80% recurring commissions on every level that you own. It's that simple. You just own a level, you make a sale, you earn 80% recurring commissions on every subscription based product that we have, and we have three of them. The first one is what we call the Let's Goal app. It is a personal development app that you can use to help you set goals, develop good habits, things like that. Costs $10 a month to get in at this level, pays $8 recurring commissions. So you make two sales at the $10 level, you are already in profit. Super simple. Nothing more complicated than that. The second level is our funnel builder level. It's a sales funnel making tool that you can use to create great sales funnels, create other web pages. It's very versatile. You can use it for a number of different applications. Costs $25 per month to get in at the funnel builder level, pays $20 recurring commissions. So again, make two sales. That level is free to you and you are already in profit. So it's kind of like they're paying you to use the funnel builder once you've made a couple of sales. The third level is the traffic and conversions level. This is where you get excellent training by our owners, mentoring by two of our owners, Monday through Friday. These guys are seven-figure earners, have built up multiple seven-figure income streams. You get training Monday through Friday, followed by a Q&A answer session where you can ask any of your burning questions. Costs $125 per month is all for all that training. And it pays you $100 recurring commissions every month for every sale that you make. So again, you make two sales if you're in at that level, and you are already in profit. It's like they're paying you to use their training. So how do you get started? Well, go to my main affiliate link, which is ralphshomebiz.com. Give me your name, give me your email address, give all the information it asks for on that page, and you'll be shown the offer. And then just decide whether or not it's for you. But from where I sit, this is really an amazing business community where the owners and everybody in the community actually care about you, actually care about helping you attain the level of success that you desire. This is unlike anything else I have seen. It's very affordable, pays excellent commissions, and doesn't start much to get started. Doesn't cost much to get started. You can get started for as little as $10, going in at the $10 level, or, $160 to go all in. Or you can start at the $25 level. You can start wherever you like. But if you want to check it out for yourself, go to ralphshomebiz.com and see if it's for you. Okay, this is Ralph signing out. Thank you for dropping by. Catch you in future updates. Until later, take care. Bye-bye.